let's talk about the layers of the Earth. The Earth is like an egg. It has a very thin shell that we call the crust. Where we have ocean, that crust is very thin and dense. Where we have land, it is less dense and thicker. Below the thin crust, we are not going to go into the details here, but we have what's in brown here, what we call the mantle. That occupies most of the volume of the Earth. The mantle is made up of mainly silicates. It is mainly solid. But when we talk of solid here, we don't mean it does not move. Like even a little bit when we get closer to the crust, it can move a little bit, but it is solid. Again, like an egg, the Earth is going to have a core, like the yolk for an egg. However, the core is made up of two parts, what we call the inner core and the outer core. The core is very hot. It is made up of nickel and iron and nickel. The outer part, the outer core, is liquid. It is actually the one responsible for the magnetism of the Earth. The inner one, because all these other masses are pressing down on it, it is solid. So to recap, very thin crust. Most of the rest of the Earth is occupied by mainly solid silicates. Then we have a core that's made up of an outer core that's liquid and an inner core that's solid. That's the layers of the Earth.